After an 11-year deadlock and 25 years of waiting, occupants living in lots covered by the 93-1 land swap deal between the Cebu province and Cebu City can finally breathe a sigh of relief. Thanks to Governor Hilario P. Davide III and Cebu City Mayor Tomas Osmeña, who ironed out kinks on the agreement, paving the way for the dream of thousands of informal settlers in the city's 11 barangays to become a reality. On Friday, the two chief executives signed the deed of donation and acceptance at the City Hall Executive Building to seal the land exchange with which the idea came to float 30 years ago. It was witnessed by beneficiaries, capital executives, as well as City Hall officials and urban poor leaders. Cebu City Councilor Mary Ann de Los Santos said the efforts of both Governor Davide and Mayor Osmeña to finalize the agreement is the ultimate personification of public service and a departure from the unfulfilled promise of politicians. Davide was elated that the exchange of properties finally came in full circle. While the lots are intended for the city's socialized housing programs, the governor said the land exchange is also beneficial to the province as many people coming from the towns are living there. Osmeña thanked Davide for helping the city make sure the land exchange would happen. At least 5,000 occupants of the lots in Barangay Apas, Busay, Camputao, Capital Site, Calunasan, Kasambagan, Lahog, Lorega, Luz, Mabolo, and Tejero stand to benefit the land swap. Under the agreement, the province will give up to 32.4 hectares of its properties in exchange for 16.4 hectares of land owned by the city. Aside from the lots spread across the 11 barangays, the province will also hand over 1.5 hectares in the Department of Agriculture compound on Envela Street, Barangay Guadalupe, 2,358 square meters on Gorardo Avenue, Barangay Lahog, and 577 square meters on Don Hill Garcia Street, Barangay Capital Site. The Cebu City, for its part, will turn over a 2-hectare lot at the South Road properties with a market value of 2.5 billion pesos. It will also hand over to the province its septic treatment plant in the North Reclamation Area and its property in Barangay Pulpugan, Consolacion Town, and return the ownership of Cebu City Zoo back to the capital.
Officials of the Department of Interior and Local Government on Tuesday, August 7, conducted a validation process and on-site visit at the capital for the 2018 Seal of Good Local Governments or SGLG. The criteria for the awarding of the SGLG this year include financial administration, disaster preparedness, social protection, peace and order, business friendliness, environmental protection, and tourism, culture and arts. SGLG, originally the Seal of Good Housekeeping, is the department's response to the clamor of the people for integrity and performance in public service. SGLG challenges local governments to continue good governance practices while providing better public services. The Seal of Good Local Governance symbolizes integrity and good performance among LGUs. The assessment covers all provinces, cities, and municipalities across the country.
Vice Governor Agnes A. Magpala introduced to the media last Friday the final top 15 lucky AAA Renaissance Cebuana candidates who will move on to the last round of the pageant this August 31. The extraordinary ladies will highlight their artistic skills during the finale. The pageant kicked off last June 9 with a marathon to test the candidates' athletic side and was followed by a Quiz Bee challenge last June 23 for the academic level of the pageant. This year's AAA Renaissance Cebuana hopefuls are Saibel Jane Ancheta from Consolacion, Marjorie Bolotano from Carcar City, Hannah May Choa from Balamban, Kilian Marie Ferrer from Daan Bantayan, Cianza Pearl Gutierrez from Tudela, Ana Faye Isok from Pinamungahan, Catherine Humapaw from Liloan, Kimberly Lumayag from Argao, Gretel Mahorenas from Danao City, Viclesia Manonda from Carcar City, Marvy Matura from Mandaue City, Lorilyn Paglinawan from Tuburan, Wilpie and Papa from Alegria, Debbie May Site from Bugo City, and Wella Jane Ibas from Carcar City. Magpala said that the 15 contenders will undergo a series of interviews which will be done in 5 test segments during the sportswear fashion, the Hablon fabric wear, within the talent show, during the evening gown wear, and in the question and answer portion. Apart from being the PWC ambassador, the winner of the pageant will get 100,000 pesos in cash plus an international trip for 2. The first runner-up will get 40,000 pesos while the second runner-up will get 20,000 pesos. The remaining 12 finalists will get 10,000 pesos each. The search for the 2018 AAA Renaissance Cebuana aims to promote the rights of women and highlight women empowerment in the province of Cebu. This is a program that will showcase the Cebuana's strength and endurance, hard work and intelligence, and multifaceted talent and skills.